So it turns out that to add our contacts to this main contacts group, we need to add them to a system group called My Contacts. Let's first of all list all the system groups. As if we go down, add a function, let's say list groups, and let groups equals contacts app get contact groups. So we're going to get all the contact groups. We haven't added any custom groups yet, so all the groups are going to be system groups. Okay, and then we loop through these groups. For each time we're going to get a group, and what we want is just to log their name. Logger.log get the group, get name, group. Let's see if we get name. Okay, save that and run list groups. Go to view logs. There we go. We get these system groups: co-workers, family, friends, and my contact. We can add our contacts to any of these system groups, and also we can add our own custom groups if we wish. So we just need this for now, so we'll just copy that whole name. This whole thing is the name. So system group colon and then my contacts. Right, we don't need this anymore. So we come back here. When we create the contact, we need to add that contact, add to group, and then we'll get that system group. So we say contacts app get contact group, and then we pass the name that we copied. So system group my contacts. So if we save that and publish, hopefully for one last time, update. Okay, now if we dock this to the left, right, so now hopefully when we add contacts, soon our contacts will appear here. Fingers crossed. So if we refresh, perfect. So they're being added here. Refresh again. That's perfect. Okay, so we have 19 contacts, and here we have 19 contacts. Okay, delete contacts, and that will hopefully delete them one by one. Perfect, perfect, that's it. So I hope you found this video useful. If so, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel.